How to get TikTok shop coupons. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you the process on how you will be able to get coupons for you to use when you buy different items on TikTok shop. So over here right now, we're currently on the homepage of TikTok, and to get to your TikTok shop, you can easily click on shop over here on the bottom section, and you will be able to see your shop section over here where you will be able to buy different types of items. Now, people typically use vouchers or coupons to make a specific item cheaper and give it a discount. And you will be able to find and easily find coupons over here on the top section. As you can see, there is a section where it says 250 off or 100 off. So if you select this, you will be able to see here new customer coupons. Now, these are specifically for new customers. So as you can see, these are coupons that I have received because my account is new. Now, it will also show different types of coupons for different types of events, stuff like that. But as you can see here, you will be able to see the coupons, the type of coupons, and the requirement for each of these coupons. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.